In this video, I'll show you how to favorite a tuning setup in Forza Horizon 6. So let's say for instance, you're just looking around a tune and you like a tune and you'd like to save it to be your favorite. All you have to do is first travel to the nearest Forza Horizon Festival site and then navigate to the cars section and choose upgrades and tuning. Now within this section, scroll down and select find tuning setup. And then from here, simply find the tune that you'd like to favorite. So let's say for instance, this particular tune, all you have to do is press the favorite tune button on your controller or on your keyboard. So for me, I'm using Xbox, that's the Y button. Press that and that tune will be added to your favorites. So if you'd like to find these favorite tunes that you've just saved, all you have to do is simply go back to find tune setups again and then use the RB or the LB button and navigate to the my favorite section, and now you should see a list of all the tunes that you currently favorite on the game. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll see you on the next one.